Hi there, I just wanted to share a tool that you can use if you are working on your colours still or you haven't chosen your colour palette for your branding. There is a tool on an app called Coolors which actually allows you to visualise your colours in different formats, in different styles of designs. So if I show you, if you go to Coolors, which is a really handy app where you can create colour palettes and you can choose a colour palette from an image that you upload on here. And there's also, so if you go to Coolors, so it's COOLORS.co, and then you come to the home screen and then go to tools. Now the palette generator is where you can generate different palettes, and if you click the space bar you can generate loads of different color palettes. But I also wanted to show you, if you go up to tools and you go down, there's a tool called Palette Visualizer. So if you click on there, and what this will do is if you have chosen your colors or you're still not sure, you can choose your add your 5 colors in here. So you click on this little color palette down here, you click on there and you can add the hex codes for your colors that you've chosen or that you're still trying to decide on. You add your colors, and then what you can do is you can actually see your colors sort of in action. So if we go to all designs, it shows you your color palette on a business card design, it shows you on a website design and a text design and a graphic, a pattern, and on an interface, all these different ways that your colors would show up. So what this does is it enables you to visualize how your colors will look sort of in action. So the tabs up here, mobile web interface, okay, and then we've got, so this is how the icons could look if you create icons. Here's how your website color. So this is just to show you how your colors will look all together in different formats. And then we've got branding, so you can kind of visualize how your logos could look with the colors that you've chosen. And if you click the space bar, this also gives you different colors. So if you're still not sure on your colors, you can also use the space bar as well to get different ideas for colors and how you, because when it comes to choosing your colors, it's hard to visualize how your colors will look and whether they'll give off the right kind of vibe that you're trying to create for your brand. So by using this visualization tool, it can really give you a better feel for how the colors will interact together and how they'll work together. And then you can also go up to typography and you can see, you know, how your colors could look in a text format. So yeah, so once you've chosen your colors, you add them down here, and then you can check out how they all look in different sort of uses and different formats. So I thought that might help you if you aren't sure on your colors or you're not sure how they're going to look when you create your actual branding and your designs for your brand. Then it might help you to sort of visualize. It does give you a good sort of overview as to how your colors could look. And what you can also do is you can adjust the colors as well. So you can adjust them in here. So say, for instance, you aren't sure about the blue that you've chosen, you can adjust it. So if you want it to be a bit lighter to see how that looks, or a bit darker, and then you just copy the hex code. Once you're happy with it, you copy the hex code, and that's your shade for blue, for instance. So you can also adjust, the lightness and the darkness. So it's really, really cool, and it's really helpful for, really fine tuning your color palette and really getting an idea of how it will look, sort of in action, in use. So I hope that's helpful.